Hello again, it's voiceover me. Before we start the studio vlog, I just wanted to show you my Squishmallow paintings that I'm currently selling on my Depop. I'm trying to earn some money for college, you know how it is. I have my Squishmallows here, the 3 axolotls, also available on my Depop. I'm currently becoming obsessed with Squishmallows. Maybe I'll show you my collection sometime, but it's not as good since I'm just starting out. I hope this mic sounds better. I'm actually using headphones, and I'm about to pack this order. Trust me, I sound more enthusiastic when I was filming. Before I pack this, I made a quick TikTok releasing the new items in my small shop update, including these stickers. I'll insert that TikTok right now.
Small shop update is now live. Cactus in a mug sticker. Also available as a print in 3 colors.
Luckily, I was by and saved you, and so life is still yours.
Sushi stickers.
See it once. Do not let yourself be caught again.
Also available in a pack of 2. Lastly, Blueberry Bee. Link in bio.
I got an order that's actually a commission for an axolotl plushie, which is very coincidental with the Squishmallow axolotl paintings I was doing before. I tried my best. I did it without a pattern, so if you asked me to do it again, I would not be able to do that again. I'm working on a commission right now, and it's an axolotl. So far this is the head, and I'm gonna work on the body right now. I know a lot of people don't actually watch through the entire video, but for those that do you prefer me speaking in the middle of time lapses, or do you just want music? Please let me know for the 2 of you who watch. I guess I can do both. I'll try out both for this one, so I'll leave you alone for a few minutes. Oops, I'm back again. Here's how it's looking so far. I just have the body, currently working on the limbs. And yeah, I guess I'll just... Oh, I finished it. Wow, I actually put the tail on too. Not gonna lie, when I put these videos together, I don't know what I film. So I'm just as shocked as you are when I'm watching these videos. I actually thought this was really cute, even though... Oh, did I just make it faceplant? I'm sorry. I'm really sorry about that. Alright, here it is when it's all done. It's pretty big. It's like 10 inches tall, about. Maybe a little bigger than that. But yeah, I like how it turned out. I really wished that I wrote the pattern down because I would do it again. I don't know if I already showed you guys this, but a few days ago I launched a small update, just four new products, some sushi stickers, some cactus art prints, the blueberry bee that I made a few TikToks on, and the cactus in a mug sticker. It's the same as this print. Okay, so a while ago I did get this stamp. I don't know if I showed it to you guys. I showed it on TikTok and Instagram. I got the stamp and I use it for my packaging. I just stamp it on the corner over here of the envelopes. I ran out of pre-stamped ones, so I'm just gonna be stamping some of them now. this part of the video, I was talking, but it was just a bunch of nonsense and rambling about this stamp. And then I didn't even call it a stamp, I called it a sticker. I don't know what happened to me then, I was totally out of it. But all I talked about was why I got this stamp. I did run out of my thank you stickers that I normally put on all my envelopes and crochet orders. And now I'm just stuck to using this washi tape. I was thinking, I don't really know. See, having like a small business that doesn't have regular orders is kind of tough because you don't know if it's worth getting something for packaging. Like, I want to get those, like a customized business sticker that says like, thank you for your order, thank you for supporting my small business. But I don't know if the cost of those, since they're customized, they are gonna be a little pricey compared to like the generic thank you stickers. But, so I don't know if that's really worth getting right now. I've been using this washi tape. This is actually from the dollar store. And I know usually things at the dollar store aren't that great, but their art supplies are surprisingly really good. This washi tape, you know how like some, like washi tape isn't supposed to be like this. This is basically just tape. See, like it makes that, I don't know if you can hear that. It's like, it sounds like duct tape. And it feels like paper. So when you rip it, it's really papery. Here, let me show you one that I have that's actual washi tape, I guess. I don't know if any of you actually care. You probably clicked off by now, the view rating's going down, but who cares? I'm here for just letting you know about the small business stuff. So here is one that I got from Michael's a long time ago in this giant pack that probably everyone has. It's, see, notice how this is more thin and flexible, and it doesn't make a sound when it, like, it's not, I've noticed these aren't as sticky. I don't know if it's just the one that I bought, like the pack that I bought, but I noticed that whenever I put these down, they do tend to curl back up and just not stick anymore. So that's why I'm not using those as opposed to the dollar store ones. Is my volume okay? I don't know. See, this is why I don't do my regular videos anymore. But this one is so much better. I wouldn't say so much, but it's pretty good for the outside of envelopes, I guess. It does stick and stay on. So that's the main difference. That's what I need it for. Okay, so since that's out of the way, I'm just gonna get to writing. Please do not bend on all of these envelopes. I'll be using this liner for that. Yep, time lapse again. We got another order. So this order is for Dory, returning customer, which is amazing because I've only had 2 returning customers, I think. And so they ordered 2 of the set 4 dog sticker packs. And then I'll be packing that today. I don't know if I'll make a TikTok. TikToks are really time consuming. For 30 seconds to a minute, it takes a long time to make TikToks. So I'll probably get to doing that. Don't know what I'll do, but we'll see. Hello, it's voiceover me again. And I'm packing another order. This one's to a returning customer, which is amazing. I've only had probably 2 returning customers. I got 2 dog sticker packs, which is great because those were my first ever product that I sold at my shop. That's pretty much it for now. Thank you to all who support me